In this module, I'll be showing you how to record your PowerPoint slides into a video format. Once you've prepared all your slides, what you need to do is click on the File tab and choose Save and Send. From there, look for Create a Video option. Choose the Computer and HD Displays out of the remaining three options here. I would recommend you to choose the first one because that's the size you would want your videos to be. For this option, you can choose to not use or use a recorded timings and narrations depending on your content. I'll choose the first one for this example. Also note how you can set the default transition speed on each slide. Let's just go with 3 seconds for each slide. Click Create Video, choose your file destination, rename it, and start saving the video. As you can see, the default video format is in WMV. Not the best video format out there, but we're going to change it later in this module. There you have it, you've recorded your slides into a video. For this section, I'll show you how to set your PowerPoint slides to a high-definition landscape mode. Click the Design tab. From there, click on Page Setup, and a window box will pop up. Click the drop-down button for and choose On-Screen Show 16 by 9 option. Make sure that the slide orientation is set to Landscape. That's it. This will ensure that your video will be saved at its best resolution for your content. So make sure you set this setting first before you start filling your slides with content. Next, you'll learn how to add transitions and animations to your slides. Time to add transitions and animations to your content videos. To begin with, start with clicking on the Transition tab on top of the screen. As you can see, there is a range of transitions that you can choose from. Simply choose one that you wish to put on your slides. Let's go with the Push option. Now, if you go to the Effect options, it gives you an additional effect to the Push option. You can set the direction of the effect from bottom, left, right, and top. What's more, you can allocate the time taken for the effect to be applied. You can set it to appear slower or faster than the default 1-second timing. Just change the duration and click on the effect to see it in action. Should you find the effect suitable to your content, simply click Apply to All, and the same effect will be applied to all the slides. That sums up the creation of transitions to your slides. Now it's time to add animations to your text. First of all, click on the text box. Next, look for the Animation tab on top, and a set of animation will be shown. Pick any animation that you would like to use for your text, for example, fly-in. Similarly, the Effect option is available if you want to change the direction of the animation. In addition to that, click on the Animation pane. If you have more than one animation in a slide, you need to arrange the sequence to show which comes first, second, and so on. For example, you would want the first animation to start with Previous, meaning the text will appear automatically after the whole slide emerges. You can set its individual timing and delay if you want to. Let's add another text animation. Choose an animation for the next text box and watch how the right pane adds its sequence at second. Finally, set it to Start after Previous. This will allow it to appear automatically after the first appearance. That is how you add transitions and animations to your PowerPoint slides. In this module, I'll be showing you how to edit both images and background images for your slides. Keep in mind that both have different purposes for your content, and that includes editing them. First, I'll show you how to add and edit images. Simply click on Insert from the tab and choose Pictures. A new window will pop up, prompting you to choose the picture that you want to use. Once you've chosen a picture, it will be added to your slide. To edit the picture, all you need to do is click on the picture, and as you can see on top of the screen, a new tab, Format, appears. If you click on that tab, you will get to see all the editing options available for you to choose from. You can do picture corrections, colors, and add artistic effects under the Adjust section. Once you've chosen the adjustment you want to make for your picture, click on the option and it will be applied instantly. Additionally, you can style or frame up your picture using the Picture Style section. As you can see, there is a range of styles that you can choose from. You can hover your mouse to any styles to see a quick preview of it. Let's go with this one. Additionally, you can also add borders, effects, and layout to your picture. Border gives an outline to the picture using different colors and lines to it. Effects, on the other hand, adds a visual effect to your picture, such as giving it shadows, reflections, glows, and 3D rotations. Finally, layout. Choosing a layout means you'll convert your picture to a built-in smart art graphic that can arrange, caption, and resize the pictures easily. Next is the Arrange section. This section helps arranging your picture to move either forward or backward. For example, if you have a text to be put up on top of your picture, click on the picture and send it backwards. This will automatically put your text forward instead of your picture. Next and final section is the size. If you ever need to crop your picture, click Crop and adjust the picture the way you want it to be cropped. You can also adjust the height and width of it using the arrows here. That is how you edit and format a normal image. Background image, on the other hand, differs from normal image. To see the difference, right-click on any slide and choose Format Background. From the options given, you can fill your slide background using a solid, gradient, picture, or pattern backgrounds. Say, for example, you want to use a solid fill as your background. From the window, choose your desired color and click Apply. See how it applies to the chosen slide? If you want to use this color for the rest of your slide, you can just click Apply to All from the previous box, and the rest of your slides will change accordingly. This technique also applies to the rest of the background fill options, be it patterns and pictures. There you have it. In the next module, I'll show you how to edit your text to give it a more compelling effect to your content. Previously, I taught you how to edit and format both image and background image for your content. Now, I'll show you how to add some text effects to your content. First off, click on the text box of your text. From there, you can see a new tab called Format appear on top of your screen. Just like the previous module, in the Format tab, you'll get to see all kinds of editing sections available for your text. Since we only want to edit the text directly, we will be focusing on the Word Art Styles section. If you scroll down to it, you can see all kinds of instant text styles. Let's try choosing one. Note how once you've chosen the one that you want, you can see an immediate change to your selected text. Just like what you did on the previous module, you can edit the text further using the text fill, text outline, and text effect. Utilize all three options to get the best result for your text. For now, let's add a 3D rotation to the text. Go to Text Effect and choose 3D Rotation. Pick one of your preferred effects and apply it to the text. That's how you style up your text. At this point, you've mastered both image and text editing skills for your content video using PowerPoint. For the next part, I'll show you how to add audio and video to boost your content. Welcome back. In this module, we're going to insert audio and video to your PowerPoint slides. First of all, for video, all you need to do first is to click on the Insert tab. Then, to the far right, click on the Audio button. Choose Audio from File to start importing your preferred audio from your computer. Once you insert the audio, a speaker and controller icon will appear. You can drag the icon to any position in slide. That's about it for adding audio. For video, go to the same Insert tab, look for Video, and click Video from File. Choose your desired video and resize it to fit your slide. Just click the Play button if you want to review the video. That's all for adding audio and video to your PowerPoint slides. Finally, in the next module, we're going to convert your default PowerPoint video format to a higher definition video format. We've reached the final module on creating content using PowerPoint videos. Previously, when you saved your PowerPoint project to a video, it will automatically be in WMV format. Personally, this is not a reliable video format. The video format that I would suggest you use is MP4. It is high definition and works amazingly across multiple platforms, both online and offline. For this purpose, we're going to use a free converting software called Any Video Converter. First, click the Add or Drag Files and choose the WMV PowerPoint video. Then you need to change the video format output. Click the box besides Convert Now and scroll all the way down to find Customized MP4 Movie. This is the option that you need to choose. Next is the video size. Below the preview panel is the basic settings box. Click on the video size and make sure that it follows the original size of your video. In this case, it is 1280 by 720. Don't forget to set the output folder of your video. If everything is in order, click Convert Now. Depending on the size of your video, the time taken for it to be converted will vary. As you can see, once your video has been converted, it is now in MP4. Congratulations! You've successfully created a fresh new content video using only PowerPoint slides and converted it to MP4 video format.